All right, friends, what I want to do today is review that problem that was due yesterday on your assignment. If you didn't turn it in, it's late anyway, so I'll give you the answers, but you're still getting 15 points off. So the equation that you were given on the assignment was 6x minus 1 and x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now, the assignment was a little weird because there was like two options for 1, 0, and you didn't know which one to choose, but there was a correct one to choose, so that's why I had to go back and like fill in, points, and then I canceled one of them for some of you, so like I had to go fill in. So I'm gonna open the assignment, and what I want you to look, I want you to go to this problem and look at the ones you got wrong. I counted each wrong answer 6 points each, so please make sure yours was only taken off 6 points for each wrong answer. If it wasn't, if I missed you, please let me know. But let's go ahead and review the right answers. So first I need a factor, so the numerator is fine, but the denominator factored into x minus 3 and x plus 1. Okay, first there is nothing that we crossed out, so there is no whole. The domain, look at the denominator, so start at negative infinity. The next one is -1, -1 to 3, and then 3 to infinity. Okay, the vertical asymptote are those same numbers, so x equals -1 and x equals 3, so we'll have two vertical asymptotes here. Your horizontal asymptote is where you ask yourself, Bobo Bots eats DC. So we look at the exponent there. Is it bigger on top or bigger on bottom? Well, it's squared on the bottom, so it's bigger on bottom. That's Bobo. Remember that stands for bigger on bottom, y equals 0. So our answer for the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. The x-intercept comes from the numerator. So that's a +1. The y-intercept we have to solve for by making all the x's 0. So I make x 0 here, that's 6 times -1 over -3 times 1. So that's -6 over -3, which is just +2. Okay, let's see if it crosses the horizontal asymptote. Oops. So I'm going to take my horizontal asymptote, which is 0, put it over 1, set it equal. I'm going to use the original equation so I don't have to refoil. X squared minus 2x minus 3. When I cross multiply here, I get 0. When I cross multiply here, I get itself. So to start solving for x, I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 6. Add 6. Divide by 6. So you get x equals 1. So this will cross that horizontal asymptote at an x value of 1. The y value is your horizontal asymptote, so 0. The last thing this one had you do was in behavior. And this is what a lot of y'all got tripped up on. To do the behavior, we have to graph it. So let me write this down. To figure out these sides, let's graph it. So if I'm going to sketch this graph, first I'm going to plot down my vertical asymptotes. So -1 and +3. Your horizontal asymptote's on 0. So this is one of those graphs where I have something in all 3 sections. X-intercept is 1, 0. This is also where it crosses the horizontal asymptote. You have a y-intercept at 2. So I know it's going to be up here, then cross over. And then I don't have any other features that tell me where else it could be. So we have to look at if our denominator has any double factors. If you have a bay, nothing has a bay, nothing squared. So I can't put an arrow next to this one, so I have to go down here. I can't put an arrow next to this one, so I have to go up here. Now, when you're looking at in behavior, you're looking at the far left and the far right side of your graph. A lot of y'all put positive and negative infinity for these answers. This side is technically, looks like it's increasing. Technically it's decreasing because you read it from left to right. But this arrow is not going to go up forever. It's not going to go to positive infinity. It's approaching that asymptote. Well, where is that asymptote on the left side? That asymptote's at 0. So the left side is always approaching 0. Same thing for the right. This arrow is looking like it's going down, but it's never going to go to negative infinity because it's not going to cross this asymptote. So it's approaching that asymptote also at 0. So this was your problem from yesterday. You have a similar problem today. Make sure you know how to do that slant asymptote. If you don't, go rewatch that video from yesterday. We do have some more graphs in our packet that we'll use to review when we see you back on Monday or Tuesday. Have fun and have a good weekend. Bye!